Hello! This is Jacob,
Peter.
JP Cousin Duo. Basically, this is our third video on this channel. We
JP
hope
Style.
you like it. We are putting in an album called JP Style. Boom.
Pow.
Mother.
No.
Anyway, thank you. Who the hell is Pilar's Ferris? We are using.
What a name.
I know, right? Sounds like penis ferrets. Anyway, we are singing from his video. Can you turn it down? Otherwise, it's gonna be too loud. A little bit perfect. Anyway,
I know I am.
Here's the third song. I think. Yeah, third song.
Yeah, third one. And if it doesn't work, we're still gonna post it.
Just for shits and giggles.
Yeah.
Okay. Payphone. The payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time where we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, if the ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. And one more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Back home tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said over, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you've turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. In one more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Shit, I'll be out spending all the money while sitting around wondering nothing. When now you're starting, oh, can't start with push up a button. Turn the chance I blow up in columns, swim around. And I call it done 9 time violence. I can't do this, sorry guys, this is too fast.
I can't even read it.
Yeah, it's hard. I can rap fast, but not this fast.
Yeah, but just
Take it, man!
At a payphone trying to call home.
All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone.
Fail.
See, Pella's Ferris sounds like Penis Ferret. That's your new nickname, man. How fast was that bloody rap? I said one line, then it's fucking there. We should do an Eminem song next. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Spaceman?
We'll pick it later.
Goodbye.
No.
Hope you enjoyed.
I don't want to go.
Oh my god, she nearly killed me. Did you see that? I should charge her with homicide. Or regicide. Alright, now press the damn stop button. Bye.